Okay, I think I'm recording. So I'm really sorry that all my technology decided to throw up all over me in first period, guys. So I decided just to make a video to show y'all what we did in class, and oh God, that was super frustrating. So what we did is we made our cover page. So you can hit pause here if you want, but this is the cover page. Homeostasis, equilibrium, and a cell is passive transport. So make sure that's your cover page. Now, in today's agenda is a link to this document, which is vocabulary. If you would rather me just email you this, oh, you know what, I should probably just, well, whatever. I may just email you anyway when I email you this video. If you have two documents in the email like an attachment, it's probably this. So this is just vocabulary that goes with this unit. And then the kids made 3 notes pages, particle motion diffusion, which we will fill in tomorrow, Tuesday. Particle motion osmosis, which we might fill in Wednesday. We might fill this one in. This is the next day on Wednesday. It really depends on where the kids' questions take us, because it doesn't really matter which one we do first and which one we do second. But we definitely will do both by Thursday. It kind of just depends on where their understanding is, where they want to go next. So I'm going to have you put this one next in your notebook with the, I reserve the right to hit this on Wednesday. And maybe this on Tuesday. But I put it in the order that kids naturally in the past have kind of wandered when they're questioning and understanding. So we put that all in our notebook. That was first. Now, we are doing an egg lab. So of course, go back and pause and do whatever you need to do. So we're doing an egg lab. So I have this sheet that I also can email you, but also you can just make a notes page that just says egg lab data, day 1. And the only thing that I need you to get today was original egg data, which was our egg today. Let me move it, I'll switch it out so you can see this. So tomorrow, the egg will be sitting in that distilled water that I showed you. So we'll write distilled water in there tomorrow. But the egg that went in that distilled water, I measured using a tape measure around here, I'll show you on a different egg, because y'all's egg is already in the water. So I just took a tape measure and I went around the egg. Like that. And we measured it and we wrote it down. And it was 16.3 centimeters. And then I used my digital scale and I measured the mass. The digital scale is that guy. And I took the mass of the egg. I subtracted, of course, the mass of the dish. I put it in. And the egg was 80 grams. 80 grams. So then tomorrow we'll pull our first period egg out of the distilled water and we'll take the measurement and hopefully we can see a change in the egg. I'm sorry I can't see your face, but if I flip the camera up, I'm upside down. So we'll take the egg out, we'll take the egg lab, we'll take the egg data. Hopefully my computer will be better and staying connected with y'all. And I'm really sorry today was such a train wreck. But, I think this is the best way to get you caught up. So, notebook. There's notes page. There's your cover page. Vocab. Particle motion. Particle motion. Particle motion. And then we'll be ready to roll. And I'm sorry today was a mess. I know I've said that a bunch of times, but I really am. It really drives me crazy when I have everything ready to go and then it's you can't do what you want. Okay, so I'll include the vocab, and maybe if I have this document, I may just send you this document too if you want to print it so you have it. You could always just write it, but it may be easier to print it. So I'll send you all that stuff. All right, bye guys, sorry.